Hello YouTube, Mimo Kwaba about investment, World GH, yeah, Dian Kasa a scholarship board, but yeah, also yeah, specify or yeah, specializing in investment, especially say Ghana, into and then me say yeah, investment, but me no one sama Ghana, obi to my amana boa, and shasi. Now, senior me kind. Yeah, Kasafa investment options are available Emma Ghana for you understand inti Ghana now per se when your scalp per se would be share baby na etumi ewo emawa. Then this is actually a very interesting video that you might want to watch. Now yenko there is and the app I per se yeshwe ho achieved by Petra. Now achieved by Petra and say na application it. So we share app now. You will downloading it first. Me ma downloaded it into we share I say na say login my already my login and all that. You understand? But your other options after say why logins no your different investment options I'll be to me who to say their own screen soon you will be to say bonds your savings your insurance your a lot of packages are obi to my your even tech related investment are obi to my invest one which is also very highly profitable but also risky all the same you understand now sisi anu the ampese say yenko app ni na mentra the wa investment options ni na te how I'll be deposit sika how I'll be withdraw any nneɛma bi a ɛwɔ wɔn ho na wetumi ayɛ abased with that particular app. Nti ebusia sei na interface no ɛteɛ na yɛnkɔ baabi a wobɛtumi o download the app no first your free app no achieved by Petra. Understand? Achieved by Petra. Now me madin kan installing into me to me and I mean chedan kai me password nti me pese me log out banka sanka me log out anka obehu your log out nti log out na why hu general screen now the be login details but it's not a complex process nti ube to me hu na where so and our account ni we are able to deactivate and now able to me delete to account you understand and also yenko your friend is saying more terms and conditions licenses and regulatory documents ube to me if you have any problems so I'll be to my contact support and I will frequently ask questions ube to me I go through I share their opese how the app operates and everything you understand how secure is my money this one like this they give you that your money is like very secure and all that so you can literally go through we now share nyama available now and go back to home screen yeba say your investment you understand until saying particular total flexible investment balance na no name investment why until you can decide to view it any button will be who sika me wo na account if you don't want people to know your balance you can see and then you have the different investment options. I'll go back to that so that you can see where digi save you know to say normal savings account you know but what you are saying to say normal savings account wait to make this card to men as you can see it always goes up and your money is never deducted you can never lose money from this particular way and I hope I say this card to so only a top up in this so now it be away now entire amount you know into one entire amount now the minimum amount I'll bet me there to say 100 cedis it will confirm yeah now if they watch you so maybe me pay mobile money you understand no one sell it ube to me only app number or the way na obetumi use number obetumi use bank account nti I say metumi choose so say me pe bank account ha say almost say wallet but your bank account option wa but obetumi the wallet account obetumi nya sika no wallet so but you watch say Momo wallet obetumi and your credit or debit card nti bank option payment ni na all the card na ka ho na ndɛ we are why authorization na when ya bibia and our global tech no highly volatile and also highly profitable nti just like a diversified portfolio ni say ya chiche usika na egunjuma bebre so nti anya ade a usika ni na betuma akọ but at least kakra bi na ebe konti wo share say amede 200 cedis na to so but me lose 11 cedis, you understand. So anya ade a usika ni na betuma akọ and it's been almost 1 year ni or something. In fact, you can't so and all that, you understand. And also top up near the same as savings now. And I will Eurobond trust, where you see a very profitable but also volatile, you understand. But in a diversified portfolio, you can't lose all your money. You will lose one and maybe some 5, 10, 15% be and all that. And also the top up in this way, the same thing, you understand. And I over explore now. Other packages insurance cover petrol pensions and all that into pensions I'll be to my your fixed investments your group savings into we go now per se moyesa and jebo and tobo said then be to my has say now this scanner to us so that more secure, you understand. Nti sana achieved by petrol it is I to be asina open to additional ones ube to me ama me hu wo comment section asina ma hu dia me to my am that particular app. Okay, so we share the material now ube say app na it is a very good app. You can earn somewhere around about 10 to 12% on your investment if you are saving. You can earn more than about 24 or something percent if you are investing in the bonds and then the stocks and also the tech market related market. But two no tech any bond to say stocks no euro bond trust no I know a very and yes extremely risky but into me but say obe lose sika ni na like to say there video ni me sika no ebi so ate be 3 maybe or me lose be 3 cedis or so be or 4 cedis be or 6 cedis be also 26 cedis and all that, you understand it depend but savings need there say all the 10 cedis kotoa 10 cedis na be or na we nya mfaso or so but Eurobond trust no and no as and when market na echo show na ube gain say market nya drop ya osika ni su be better but ain't member ni say osika ni na better maybe 1 cd be 2 cds be 3 cd 4 cds be ena ebeti efiso but all in all say I appreciate ya utumi say be abeka ho boom, you understand, especially tech one to me be ka ho boom sa anti and no sa na say sika bebre wo ma you get more on top, you understand. So though ube tuma lose sika ni bi no but say mfaso ne ba unya ne kese and also to me ba ni say any America no ube tumi lose sika ni na this is actually a diversified portfolio we can say injuma bebre na ya carbon na wa invest home inti say we nye ejuma we ye say we enye profit away ye inti to me ba say obe lose scanning that is not how the diversified portfolio works. If you are using the diversified portfolio there is no risk of losing all your money, but at least if the market is going downward ube to me lose usika ni bi na so enye ni na enye say ube to me lose about 50%, maybe 5-10% be 15% be of your money inti me da say wa share video na be see some pempen. So and there first time on home video, I make sure so be like it. Now I share video no now one man for be so now I subscribe no one man for so afa ye ho. And that's it. Ebe sin share bi.